Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh to Pak Azima. Today we would like to present about case study Discrete Maths. Before we start our presentation today, we would like to introduce ourselves. Me, Sharifah Regency Omar, 131 and my teammates are Tanya Sri, 012321M2087. Kita anak perempuan Banatan 121M2077 and Nura Atika binti Karamatullah 012321M2039. So for our question, case study, draw a weighted graph consisting of 15 vertices and 30 edges. The vertices represent a city and the edges are the road. In a group of 3 until 4% discuss and carry out a presentation based on the details below. First, draw 10 spanning trees from the graph. Second, use either Prince algorithm or Kruskal algorithm to solve the minimum spanning tree and the conclusion. So let me explain some weighted graph. Weighted graph is a graph in which each branch is given a numerical weight. Weighted graph are often used to model real objects and processes. For example, the graph can be considered as a map where the nodes are cities and edges are roads. The weight of each edge is the distance between the city where the directed graph can also be used to model some real processes. So for first spanning tree, Tulis intent to Batu Gajah is 16, Batu Gajah to Ipoh 12, Ipoh to Pantai Remis is 35, Pantai Remis to Trolak 30, Trolak to Lumut 24, Lumut to Gua Tempurung is 3, Gua Tempurung to Sri Iskandar is 5. So second spanning tree, from Teluk Intan to Taiping, Taiping to Pantai Remis, Pantai Remis to Trolak, Trolak to Lumut 24, Lumut to Setiawan 25, Setiawan to Kuala Kangsar 40. Next, Sungai Siput to Taiping, Taiping to Teluk Intan 24, Teluk Intan to Kampar 32, Kampar to Lumut 13, Lumut to Air Tawar. Last but not least, Taiping to Batu Gajah 14, Batu Gajah to Teluk Intan 16, Teluk Intan to Kampar 32, Kampar to Kuala Kangsar 10, Kuala Kangsar to Lumut, Lumut to Sri Iskandar 23. Next, I will pass to Tanya to continue other 10 spanning tree. Thank you.
Okay. Now, 61 to Trola, 61 to Sri Iskandar 30, Sri Iskandar to Gua Tempurung is 5, Gua Tempurung to Air Tawar is 15, Air Tawar to Lumut is 8, Lumut to Kampar is 18, Kampar to Teluk Intan 32, Teluk Intan to Taiping 24, Taiping to Pantai Remis is 15, Pantai Remis to Trola is 30. My name is Tanya Sri, Dr. of Development. Number matrix is 01DDT21F2087. Now I want to explain about Kampar to Batu Gajah. Kampar to Lumut is 8 kilometers. Then Lumut to Trola is 24 kilometers. Trola to Sungai Siput is 30 kilometers. And Sungai Siput to Taiping is 50 kilometers. Taiping to Tolo Intan is 24 kilometer, and the last one is Tolo Intan to Batu Gajah is 16 kilometer. Now Kampar to Sungai Siput. Kampar to Lumut is 18 kilometers. Lumut to Aritawa is 8 kilometers. Aritawa to Trola is 20 kilometers. Trola to Pantai Remis 24 kilometers. Pantai Remis to Taiping is 18 kilometers. Taiping to Telo Intan is 24 kilometers. Telo Intan to Batu Gajah is 16 kilometers. Batu Gajah to Manjung is 9 kilometers. Manjung to Ipoh is 25 kilometers. And lastly, Ipoh to Sungai Siput is 10 kilometers. Now, Setiwan to Batu Gajah. Setiwan to Lumut is 25. Lumut to Kuala Kangsar is 40. Kuala Kangsar to Kampar is 10. Kampar to Ayutawa is 18. Ayutawa to Trola 20. Trola to Sungai Siput is 30. Sungai Siput to Taiping is 50. Um, Taiping to the low Intan is 24. The Intan to Batu Gajah is 16. Now, Ayutawa to Taiping. Ayutawa to Gua Tempurung is 15. Gua Tempurung to Seri Iskandar is 5. Seri Iskandar to Setiwan is 30. Setiwan to Kuala Kangsar 40. Kuala Kangsar to Kampar is 10. Kampar to Taiping is 18. Lumut to Trola 24. Trola to Pantai Remis is 15. Pantai Remis to Taiping is 15. And the last spanning tree, Batu Gajah to Manjung. Okay, Batu Gajah to Teluk Intan, 16. Teluk Intan to Kampar is 32. Kampar to Kuala Kangsar is 10. Kuala Kangsar to Setiwan is 40. Setiwan to Seri Iskandar 13. Seri Iskandar to Kuala Tempurung is 5. Kuala Tempurung to Air Tawar is 15. Air Tawar to Lumut is 8. Lumut to Trola 24. Trola to Pantai Remis is 15. Pantai Remis to Taiping is 15. Taiping to Banjung is 15.
Selamat sejahtera and hi to point. I'm Agita Baliaga, number 01DDT21F2077. On behalf of my group, I would like to present question 2, which is use either Prim's algorithm or Kruskal's algorithm to solve the minimal spending tree. And we choose Kruskal algorithm to solve our question 2. To say about Kruskal algorithm, the Kruskal algorithm is a minimum spending tree algorithm that takes a graph as input and finds the subset of the edges of the graph. These input form a tree that includes every vertex where the total weight of all the edges in the tree is minimalized. And this is our weighted graph consisting of 15 vertices and 30 edges, as my teammate were mentioned earlier. And this is our first spanning tree, which is start from Sri Iskandar. So the value is 5. Sri Iskandar to Gua Tempurung, and plus 8, and plus 12, plus 16, and plus 35. So the total is 76. So for the next spanning tree, the value is 24 plus 24 plus 25 plus 40. The total is 113. And this is our next spanning tree, which consists of the value 8 plus 18 plus 24 plus 32 plus 60. And the total is 142. And for the fourth spanning tree, the value is 10 plus 14 plus 16 plus 25 plus 23 plus 32, and the total is 120 kilometer. So for the next spinning tree, the value is 5 plus 15 plus 18 plus 24 plus 30 and plus 32. So the total value is 124. So the value of next spanning tree is 16 plus 18 plus 24 plus 24 plus 32, and the total is 124.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Atika binti Kalmatullah and my metric number is 01DDT21F2039. Today I'm going to continue the algorithm. So total weight is 9 plus 10 plus 16 plus 18 plus 22 plus 24 plus 28. So equals to 124. So 9 is represent to batu kerja to manjung. 10 is represent to equal to Sungai Sepul. 16 is represent to Batu Gajah to Teluk Intan. 22 is Tolak to Air Tower. And finally 25 is represent to equal to Manjung. Okay. Total width for this graph is 10 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 plus 24 plus 25 plus 30 equals to 141. So 10 is represent to compared to Kuala Kangsar. 16 is Batu Gajah to Teluk Intan. 18 is um, 18 is compared to Lumut. 20 is Tolak to Iron Power. 24 is um, Teluk Intan to Taipei. And 25 is Lumut to Setiawan. And finally 30 is Sungai Siput to Tolak. Total weight for this graph is 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 24 plus 30 plus 40 equals to 124. So 5 is represent to go to Guru to Sri Iskandar. 10 is represent to Kapar to Kuala Kangsar. 15 is represent to Aita to Dua Tempurung. 24 is represent to Pantai Remis to Tolak. 30 is represent to Siti Awan to Sri Iskandar. And finally 40 is Siti Awan to Kuala Kangsar. So equals to 124. Finally total weight is 16 plus 32 plus 10 plus 40 plus 50 plus 5 plus 15 plus 24 plus 15 equals to 187. 16 is represent to Teluk Intan to Batu Gajah. 32 is Teluk Intan to Kampar. 10 is Kampar to Kuala Kangsar. 40 is Kuala Kangsar to Siti Awan. 30 is Siti Awan to Sri Iskandar. Sri Iskandar to Dua Tempurung is 5. Dua Tempurung to Air Tower is 15. Air Tower to Lumut is Lumut to Trolla is 24. And finally is Taipei to Manjung is 15. So equals to 157. For conclusion, this is graph which have vertices and edges. For vertices, they are 50 and it represent for city. Edges are 30 and is represent for road. This is focus algorithm is a minimal spinning tree algorithm that takes a graph as input and find the subset of the edges of the graph. This input form a tree in that input with every vertices, where the total width for all the edges in the tree is minimized. So that's all from us. Thank you.